Hello everyone, my name is John Paul, founder of DayTradeToWin.com. Today is August 9th, 2016, and I want to show you in this video how important it is to have a plan laid out for you every day before attempting to tackle these markets. I'm looking at the E-mini S&P, it's the September contract, and I know it's not easy trading these markets, but it's almost impossible to beat them unless you have a plan. So my plan every day before putting money at risk is to understand what is going on. Is the market overbought, oversold? Where's the Atlas line? Do we have a roadmap? These are methods that I teach in the mentorship program, and the goal is to understand and look at multiple things, making sure nothing is conflicting, making sure that more than one of the trades is actually confirming, so you may have an Atlas line and a blueprint. So as I go forward here and explain to you these trades on August 9th, the first trade of the day happens to be the Atlas line. And the Atlas line is a proprietary indicator. You can actually pick it up separately, but it's giving me an entry at 2179.75. That's the exact entry everyone gets with the software. But before you enter, you have to make sure that it's not overbought, it's not oversold. What's my risk? What's my target? Should I take the trade? Is there news? So all of these things definitely come into play before you just jump in. Now, as I continue forward, this Atlas line trade actually worked, and there's a follow-up, a strength trade, again to go long. Now I see this shaded area on top that is telling me there's caution. This is a roadmap. The roadmap is something that I teach. It's based off manipulation. It's one of the best methods that you can understand how manipulation works. And if you don't know where the manipulation is happening, it's just going to run you over. So the purpose here is to say, I understand that there's a problem going long at this area. I should not take a long trade until it's cleared. And what happened instead is the market stopped in this area and reversed. Now, if you knew in advance that this area was a problem area, I doubt very much that you would want to go long or take that risk. So looking at multiple methods, focusing on if there's anything conflicting, is there anything helping me? In addition, the rules of risk are very important. So besides the strength trade and the pullback trade with the Atlas line, there are so many other things involved with price action trading like manipulation. Now, in addition, if you look at this chart, you're probably thinking the market's just going to continue lower and lower. And what instead happens is the market begins to stop and stall. The yo-yo bars that I talk about all the time are showing you that they are stopping this market. And again, before you decide to go long or short, give yourself a reason. It's not because it looks like or it seems as if it's a good idea. Give yourself a reason. And now the market is breaking below the Atlas line with a signal to go short. Now, in addition, this is not just an Atlas line double bar short trade that the software provides. It's also a blueprint trade. And the blueprint trade is another method taught in the mentorship program that is focusing on price action. Two things here are telling me go short. So if anything, I want to go short and I want to take this market as it's moving lower for a reason, less risk, and a purpose. Now you're looking back at the day and you're asking yourselves, what type of trades could I expect? What is really taught here in the mentorship program? Well, you have the Atlas line trades, you have the blueprint, the roadmap, another blueprint, plus an Atlas line trade, an X5 trade. You have many different types of trades that are culminated into one trading system. The goal isn't to trade more. The goal is to trade correctly. If there's anything conflicting, obviously you're not going to take the trade, or if it's overbought or oversold. Now, in many instances, these trades are actually coinciding where you have two or three of the methods saying yes, go short, or yes, go long, or don't go short. This is really what's taught in the program. There's a group class starting right around the corner. Look at the dates, see if they fit your schedule, or email me if you want a private class where we set up our own classes and our own dates. If you have any questions, you can always contact my staff, and again, support and setup are always included. My name is John Paul, and I'll see you at the next class.